Successful Solution Method Scam. Is Successful Solution Method scamming affiliates? That's what you are going to discover in this video. And the only reason I'm creating this video is because that's what you want to know. You want to know, is it a scam? Does it work? How can it work for you? Well, let me tell you, it only works for you if you are willing to follow the program, follow the steps, step by step, and do what is required of you to make it work. My name is Richard Hairston, and in this video I'm going to show you proof that Successful Solution Method works only if you work it. Okay, I have been with the company for a little over a month now, and since being with the company I have made income. Now I'm not going to sit up here and tell you that I made thousands and $200,000, $10,000. No, I have made over $1,000 with the company since I've been with it for the few weeks that I have been in. And you can have the same success if you are willing to do what I am doing and what everybody else is doing. So before I even joined Successful Solution Method, I made it a point to make sure that this was a legit business. And that's what you have to do with any program that you join. You need to do a thorough investigation. You need to do a thorough research to make sure this is legit. Now, what I did, I actually reached out to Amanda Ray, the owner of Successful Solution Method. As you can see, if you're looking at my screen, we actually spoke way back on April the 27th of 2020, okay? And then we lost contact for a while. It wasn't until I found or discovered or heard about Successful Solution Method that I reached out to her, okay? And so I asked her some simple questions, okay? And let me kind of back up here a little bit, okay? See. Here we go. Hi, Amanda. Tell me about SSM. Hi, Richard. Is a tax-based program so people can earn while they learn 50% commission. Sounds interesting. Is it good for newbies? Yes, we have a lot of newbies, but also some top players are on as well, but very good for newbies. Okay, you have time for a quick chat here in Messenger. She said, sure, give me a minute, I'll call you. We actually hopped on a call in Messenger. She answered every question I had at that moment in time. I still had some other questions for her, and so I sent those questions to her through Messenger, but also we chatted again. She said, okay. I called her. She sent me this. Okay. I called Amanda August 26th. I called Amanda. She missed my call August the 28th. Okay. Hey, Richard, you called. Boom. I called again 4:45 p.m. We had a conversation. What you have to do and what you need to do is be willing to reach out to the creators of these programs and make sure that they are legit. Okay, if she could not answer the questions that I had concerning the program, I never would have joined it. I would not be promoting it. I would not be marketing it, and I would not be providing it to you, okay, or anyone else. I would not even sign my name or anything else to this program. So the program is legit. Okay. Hello, Amanda. Here you go again. I finally remember the other question I had for you. If I join at the $300 level and want to upgrade to the 1,000, do I pay the whole 1,000 or the difference, which is 700? Sorry for all the questions. She said you only pay the difference if you upgrade within 30 days. Sweet. Thank you. I'm ready to join. Will Iwana get the credit? She said, yes, you will. Just let me know once you're in. Boom. I signed up. Okay. Had a little problem with my bank account, but we got all of that solved. Okay. Hello, Amanda. I'm in, going through the back office now. Okay. Awesome. I am K if you need me. LMK if you need me, let me know. Will do. Thanks. Okay. Here goes something else to join the chat room that we have. Hey, Amanda, I hope you're having a blessed day. If you don't mind, can you send me the curiosity post? This is something that they provide. Gave her my email. Thank you. Hey, Amanda, another question. Is the traffic package a part of the IPA, income producing activity? Just want to be sure because I didn't catch it on the webinar, but it's mentioned that is in the back office. Yes, it is. Normally, yes, it is not totally necessary for top marketers, but a lot of them are using traffic. Just send an invoice for the leads. It says website and leads order box. Are you talking about our estimate catcher page? Yes. Okay. Thank you for your time. You're welcome. Boom. $50. Okay. I received that money. The money is now in my bank account. Hello, Amanda. I pray all is doing great. You're doing great, and family as well. I know you're busy. However, I would love for you to check out the presentation I put together. This is a presentation I put together about the comp plan before I even uploaded to YouTube because I wanted to make sure I was not misrepresenting the company and making sure everything was in order. She took a look at it. She got back with me. Soon she said, "Will do." Okay, she told me what to correct on it. I corrected that. Boom. September 17th, 2020. 50, 100, 150. Thank you, Amanda. You're welcome. September 20th, 50. There should have been two 50s in here, but it's only one. Okay, there's another 50 for September 23rd, 2020. Okay, wow, thank you. Here it is, September 24th. 250, 150. Great morning to you, Amanda. Thank you. She said, great morning. You're welcome. Okay, hello, Amanda. I have another question for you. Now, pay attention to this. You really need to pay attention to this. I have a question. If someone upgrade to a higher level, do I get 50%? Okay, and then I have someone wanting to join tomorrow or today. If you're seeing this, they know how to get traffic and sell. They don't use solo ads at all. Okay, the question is, if they don't purchase traffic from SSM, will they still receive 50% if they are doing all of the other tasks? Okay, yes, they will still get 50%. Let that sink in. Okay, really think about that. If someone comes in at the $125 level and they decide to upgrade to the $300 level, you earn half of that commission. Okay, if they come in at the 125, decide to go for the 500, you earn 50% of that commission. Okay, that is awesome. But not only that, when someone joins at the $300 level, the other 150 that goes in, remembering 25 of that goes to the admin, but the other 100, excuse me, the other 125 is dispersed amongst the members. It does not go to Amanda or the company. But not only that, if they upgrade to a $1,000 level, not only did you earn the $50 on the 125, you also earn $500. That's if and when they make the decision to upgrade. That is unheard of in any affiliate marketing program. You don't get that in EU1. You don't get that in XE. Okay, I'm just going to say XE. I'm not going to call it names. Some of you all know who I'm talking about. Those companies do not do that. There are no pass-ups with SSM. The only scam would be you would scam yourself because you are not doing what the task calls for. You are not willing to follow simple income-producing activities or follow the task. So SSM, Successful Solution Method, is not a scam. It works if you are willing to put in the work. Okay, she said yes, they will get 50%. Good morning, thank you. Okay, 12:05 a.m. last night. Today is Sunday. Watch this. Today is Sunday, October the 4th, 2020. This came in at 2:05 a.m. last night. And then also this came at 8:31 a.m. this morning. $50 and $150. That's $200. Okay. And I just said, Amanda, thank you, my sister. Okay. So it works. It's here. And I'm not the only one. Once again, if I come over here to the group, People engagements are going up. Okay. People are loving SSM. Okay. The views are skyrocketing. She bought a second round of traffic. People are investing in their business and in themselves. Okay. If I just scroll down through here, I'm just going to scroll for a minute. Just let you look at the success that even newbies and intermediates and seasoned marketers, affiliate marketers are having. Seasoned affiliate marketers are jumping on this because they see it as another source of income that can really help somebody that's a newbie. Okay. And if that's you, then what are you waiting on? There's a link in the description for you to get started. Watch the webinar, get signed up, and get started. If you have any questions, feel free to come out, get in contact with me. Nana, there you go. 200, 100, 150, 50. Okay. And this was 14 hours ago. Okay. So if you just keep strolling through here, you're going to see other success stories. Okay. All throughout this group. $500, 13 hours ago, Randy Brown. Okay. 150, 150. Okay. $300, 8 hours ago. 8 hours ago, $50. Okay, 50, 100, 250. It's amazing how simple this program is if you're willing to follow it. So now that's enough of all the success. I'm gonna show you one more here. Sharon, 50, 150, 400, 200. Okay, let me refresh the page and see what happens when I refresh the page. Then we're gonna move on. Okay. $500 she's earned. Okay. If we just scroll through here, there are some more. So you can fast forward this video to this point if you've seen enough and you're ready to get started. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to go over to the actual affiliate center, and I'm going to log in to my account. Okay. Because I want you to see that this is real. $850. Okay. 6 transactions. And if I come down here on October the 4th, you'll see I have traffic has been 18 views, but I've had 2 sales out of that, which is today's date. So the question to you is, how long are you going to think or keep thinking that successful solution method is a scam? Look, I've been scammed before, but I didn't give up because I knew deep down that this would work if I just held on. Okay. You're going to run into some scam. A lot of people have been scammed. Maybe you have been scammed, but don't give up because of that. Okay. Don't give up because you have been scammed before. If I come back over here to Facebook just one more time, if I go to the home page, you can even see I posted it in my story right here. Okay. Today's date. It is there. What else do you want? I mean, the thing about successful solution method is you don't have to babysit people. You can answer questions for people, okay? Because I did do that for a person that joined me. If I come back over here to Messenger, and trust me, she had a whole, let me see if I can find it. See if I can move myself over here just to find it. See all in Messenger. I'll come back over here. Okay. Lady D, what I call her, she had a whole bunch of questions before she decided to pull the trigger. Be prepared, be ready to answer questions that people have about SSM. If you can't answer the question, then you can lose sales. Be prepared, and if you don't know the answer, reach out to someone who does. Okay, because one of the questions I didn't know, I actually had to reach out to Amanda about it, and the question was answered, and I was able to relay that question back to her. Don't be afraid to reach out to me or someone else in SSM if you have questions. You're going to get an onboarding session. You're going to have a personal coach, somebody you can reach out to and talk to. This affiliate program is bar none. It's not a scam. You just have to be willing to put your faith, your trust in something Why not SSM? Successful solution method works only if you're willing to put in the work. There's a link to it in the description below. Go ahead and click that link and get started right now. If you have any questions, my contact information is below as well. You can reach me on Facebook. You can send me a text message. However you feel comfortable with doing it, just do it. Get started today, okay? All of the training that you need is laid out for you. I look forward to hearing from you. And what I want you to do, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of the videos that I do. Also, leave me a comment below, okay? And like this video as well. Any question you have are welcome. I'm here to answer them for you. SSM, Successful Solution Method, is not a scam. They are not scamming affiliates, okay? You can do this. You just have to make up your mind that you want to do it. With that being said, that's the end of this video. Click the link in the description below to get signed up. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.